Hi everyone. Google ad experiments allow you to change one variable or more variables, but it's recommended you just change one variable at a time and run an experiment with your ad campaign to see what works better for your particular experiment. So let's say you want to try out broad match keywords and see if they work better than phrase match. You could do that. You could duplicate the campaign and set up an experiment to run for 20 days or 30 days. And so Google will split your ads 50-50 between the broad match and the phrase match and show you exactly which is converting better. So obviously you'll tell Google that the goal of this experiment is to increase conversions and decrease the cost of conversion. So that'll be your goal, obviously. And you'll run an experiment. It could be for, like I told you, broad match, phrase match, or it could be for any different things, like let's say landing pages, or it could even be for something like the goal of the campaign, like clicks, or maximize clicks or maximize conversions, like the basic goal of the campaign. So you could tweak it a million different ways to run experiments whenever you need them. And if your agency isn't doing that, you want to find out if your agency is trying out the experiments to make sure your ad spend is more efficient. Thank you for tuning in for today's video. Like, subscribe, and follow, and link is in the description to my calendar. Book a time that's convenient for you. If you are a home services business and you want to talk about anything that's related to your Google Ads campaign, so I'm all ears. Thank you so much. Have a great day.